In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a layout to your DIVI website page. So first things first, you need to add a new page. So click on the new page and then click on this DIVI Builder button. Once your Once the DB Builder has been loaded, click on Start Building and then navigate to the bottom of the screen. And then as you can see these three dots here, click on it and then press on the download and import, download and upload button on the right. Click on it and then select import and then choose the file you want to import and then select on it and then click on the DB Builder layout. That will initiate the import of the layout, and then uh, once it's already uploaded, it will use the layout that you selected.